Pro Cherry Festival car show. Thank you very much for coming along. It's such a big event, and some of you have travelled far to get here today. And they've had a lot of trouble actually picking the winners because the entrance this year has been so incredibly good, and it's just, it'd be nice if everybody could go home with a prize. But unfortunately, like Formula One and V8 supercars, not everybody's a winner. But we thank you very much for coming along, because it's the people who go home without a prize that actually make this event, along with the spectators, because it gives the spectators lots to see. If we only just had winners here, there wouldn't be much of a car show. So thank you very much for coming along. Now, we've got a special award to hand out first up. And look, actually, before we get to the awards, I'd like to call on Captain Laurie from the Salvation Army to say a few words. We might catch up with Captain Laurie a little later on there. But look, right now, we'll bring on Peter Vlatko from the Young Shire Council. And without the help of the Young Shire Council, the car show also wouldn't go. In addition to the 25 sponsors and Auto Pro, we rely heavily on the help of the Young Shire Council. And thank Peter Vlatko very much. Peter.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be part of a fantastic day, but also for Auto Pro and all the sponsors to be able to give you an opportunity to come here and show these fantastic cars, your efforts, your contribution and your enthusiasm in what you do, because honestly you definitely have to have a love for this, and for us people that parked our cars so far away so that we wouldn't be embarrassed, I'm very proud to, on behalf of my council, to say thank you to everybody who's been here, thank you to everybody who's participated, and more importantly, as we all say, it's a great Cherry Festival day, so thank you for making it a fantastic day. Thank you.
Thanks, Peter. Okay, the first award to come up, it's a very special award. It's for a little boy, Cooper Sains, who's going to win an award for this lovely little yellow car here. Congratulations, Cooper. Hey, Rocco. Congratulations, mate. And he'll be back here taking out one of the major awards in a few years, no doubt. Okay, now, starting at the top here, we've got the best vehicle before 1999, sponsored by Revolution CD in Borowa Street, Young. And the winner is the Ford Mustang. Could Dale Hayes please come forward? Congratulations, Dale. Is Dale there? Here we go. Faster than a Mustang. Good man, Dale. Thank you for participating. Okay, best vehicle after 1999, and it's sponsored by southwesttiltrays.com. Congratulations, Ross Clarke for the Commodore SS. Congratulations, Ross Clarke. And with V8 supercars in Sydney later on this afternoon, no doubt it'll be a big day for Commodore. Congratulations now for the best Holden. Sponsored, of course, by Harden Gill and Holden and Jamie Harden and his crew. Congratulations to Stephen Baxter, the owner of the Holden FJ. Thanks for participating, Stephen. Now, the best Ford. Could Harold come forward from Shannon's Insurance? If Harold is there, please come forward. Fantastic. Now, Harold's going to present the award for the best Ford Brian Tompkins, congratulations. You're the winner with your Ford Falcon Squire. It's been very difficult for the judges this year. I mean, it really, really has. It's been the most difficult year they've had at judging. Okay, Best Ute, Revolution CD. Bill Cross, please come forward. He's the owner of the FX Holden Ute. Congratulations, Bill Cross. Come forward and you'll receive your award from the Council General Manager.
Thank you. Thank you. Debbie, can you turn that the other way, Peter's not out getting in. Thanks, Debbie.
Oh, you're right, love.
Best Sports Car. Sponsored by Auto Pro Young. Congratulations to the owner of the Ford Mustang, Rolly Godfrey. Good man, Rolly.
Oh, no, you're right, honey. I get you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, the major sponsors of this event include the Young Shire Council and, of course, Auto Pro, but it also includes Harden, Gill and Holden and John Hobson, Refrigeration, Air Conditioning and Electrical, and Tyre Power in Lovell Street, Young. And we call on Gary Fellows, who's picking up the best hot rod, sponsored by Tyre Power. It's the Ford T-Bucket. Congratulations, Gary. Gary Fellows accepting his award from Barry Hambrook for Tyre Power. Best local vehicle, sponsored by Tradesmart Young, Nathan Sell for his Holden Club Sport. Well done, Nathan. The best out-of-town vehicle is sponsored by the Australian Hotel, just up the laneway here, and also in Burrawa Street, Young. Congratulations to Greg Franklin with his Chevrolet Bel Air, the best out-of-town vehicle. Coming in at number 10, the best vintage vehicle, sponsored by Young Shire Council. Only fitting we have the General Manager here today, Peter. And the winner is Alan Griffiths for his MG-TF.
I don't think he's here, Brendan, so
He's not?
I accept the award.
Okay. Jamie will take that home and put it on his bookcase.
Absolutely.
It's a bad joke. Now, number 11, the best car club vehicle, sponsored by Westpac Bank Young Branch. John O'Farrell, congratulations for the Holden Monaro that we all got to view here today.
Thanks very much.
Most original vehicle is sponsored by Young Smash Repairs. And it's congratulations to Brian Nuttall for his Ford F100.
Well done.
There's been a lot of talk about the Ford F100 here today. Best wheels, sponsored by Tyre Power, the place to go for the best wheels. Brett Sains, congratulations for your VK Holden, very popular award. The best restored vehicle is sponsored by Bill Hercombe Automotive out at the Wreckers on the Chillingworks Road. And it goes to Rod McDonald for his Holden Premier. Congratulations, Rod. There's been some fantastic displays here today, and again, if you have a home without a trophy, we sincerely thank you for coming today because, as I was saying, without you here, it really wouldn't be much of a car show. Best Engine Bay, Moore's Exhaust. Anthony Thomas, congratulations for your Ford XB Coupe. Sponsored by Moore's Exhaust in Lower Burrowa Street, Young. Also sponsored by Moore's Exhaust is the Best Daily Drive. Steve Gorham for your Holden 1 tonner. Steve Gorham. Congratulations, Steve. Now we have the People's Choice runner-up and we have the People's Choice. Like we've said, it's been so bloody difficult this year. With the amount of entries that came in previous years, some have just turned up on the day. But this year, it's been overwhelmingly... You've been so well organised, you've got in advance. And with the number of entries we've had this year, we knew we had to add a couple of new trophies. And therefore, we have 2 in the People's Choice. So we've got the People's Choice runner-up, sponsored by HGN Mobile Mechanical Repairs. Congratulations, Wayne Barnes, with his Ford 1915 23T bucket. Congratulations, Wayne. And now, for the People's Choice Award, the original People's Choice, sponsored by the Young Workwear at the top end of Burrowa Street, congratulations to Des Gibbs for his smashing 1956 Ford F600. Thank you, Des. Now, before we get to the other awards, we might like to throw to Captain Laurie. Is Captain Laurie here? Fantastic. And by the way, before we do that, I must say thank you all for coming along today because one of the biggest people who get something out of this are the Salvos for this very important fundraising time at Christmas and, of course, their back-to-school period in January. And we appreciate your donations here today. And this is Captain Laurie.
Yes, good. Look, I'd like to thank everybody that came here today, and I'd certainly like to thank Auto Pro, who actually sponsored us and requested that we come along here and do a barbecue. And I really thank everybody that's come along and helped us. Our money goes to a good cause. It'll certainly go this time of year to a good cause. And we're doing Christmas hampers and toys for the people who are not doing it so well this year. And it's been a really great cause. We've raised about $1,500 today, so that's really fantastic. And I thank you all very much.
Thank you very much. And thank you for your donations. It's a great effort. Now, if we can call on John Hobson, the owner of John Hobson Refrigeration, Air Conditioning and Electrical, near the roundabout there at the top end of Lovell Street. And John's going to present the 2013 Encouragement Award. Thank you, John. And let's hope your Fujitsu Holdens do well this afternoon at the V8 Supercars. Okay, Encouragement Award. Jeff Ingle for your Ford Hardtop 1975 John Goss. What a great car. And very well displayed, Jeff. Okay, now Jamie Harden is the owner of Harden, Gill and Holden at the top end of Burrowa Street, Young, and he's the gold sponsor of today's event to present the runner-up award for 2013. The runner-up, Des Gibbs, for his 1956 Ford F600. Congratulations, Des. And thank you very much, Jamie Harden, from Harden, Gill and Holden, the top end of Burra Street Young. Without these sponsors, like the goal sponsors of John Hobson and Harden, Gill and Holden and Tyre Power, without the help of Young Shire Council, and without all the entrants, and then you guys all coming along to watch, the show wouldn't be a car show. It just wouldn't exist. And it's such a great event for the town. Now, the top overall award for Tyre Power in Lovell Street Young, it goes to a 1934 Ford three-window coupe. Congratulations, Dean Johnston. Here he comes. The top overall award, sponsored by Tyre Power, Dean Johnston, the 1934 Ford three-window coupe. And now, the final award, if I can call on Emma Tor. There we go. Emma's going to present the final award, which is a Special Auto Pro award. And just give me 2 seconds, I'll shuffle my paper. Now, this special award is based on, and again, because we've had so many entrants this year, it's one of these new awards we've introduced, and it's a very special award, this one. It's not one we've had before, and we really should have. This one is about the way you've displayed the car here today, the way you've parked your car, all the effort that you've gone into the presentation of it, whether you've got photos there about the build, or whether you've wrote the car off, or the way you've displayed your vehicle. And it was very difficult. This was the most difficult award, probably, by the judges. They really had a difficult job. But this goes to Dean Johnston for his 1934 Ford three-window coupe, the blue one. It really is a special piece of machinery, and the way it's displayed, it's very special.
Thanks.
Congratulations, Dean. Now, I'll just put you on to Jamie Tor, the owner of Auto Pro Young, just to say a few final words before you head off.
Thank you, Brendan. Round of applause, please, everyone, for Brendan Ford, our MC here today. He's done all the music, he's got all the sponsorship, he's a legend. I couldn't do it without you, so thank you, Brendan. Wow, what a day. More than 100 good quality entered cars in today's car show. More than 2,000 spectators coming through the gates, admiring, dreaming and enjoying such a fantastic event, now the Young Cherry Festival Car Show. Good afternoon, everybody. I am sure you would all agree with me today that today's 2013 Cherry Festival Car Show has been outstanding. I feel it's been the best ever. The Cherry Festival Car Show has become one of the major draw cards of the Cherry Festival. Results like these do not happen without sponsors, so I'd like to thank all our 25 category sponsors and call on our major sponsors, Jamie Harden from Harden, Gill and Holden, Barry Hambrook from Young Tyre Power and John Hobson if they come up to get an award. I would also like to thank the Young Shire Council, the Young Information Centre, Leanne from Young Cherry Festival Committee for helping, assisting me in this year's car show. Truly, to Pete, to Stuart, the Mayor, without you guys it wouldn't have happened, so I thank you so much. Please, a round of applause for the Council. Thank you. Our wonderful judges, every year they're put to the test, but I think they've come up with the best cars here today. So a round of applause, please, for Ian, the two Ians, Greg, Bruce, Rob and John, Thanks for giving up your time here today. You don't get paid for it, but we love you. Finally, I'd just like to thank a few following people. Oh, that sounded good. The Salvation Army who cooked the barbecue. Laurie, thank you, and I hope all that money goes to the people who need it. Our fantastic Auto Pro staff, thanks guys. And of course, Brendan Ford. That's it everyone, Merry Christmas, safe 2014, and see you all again next year.
And I heard, as it were, the noise of thunder. One of the four beasts saying, "Come and see." And I saw, and behold, a white horse.
Oops! I did it again, baby. Yeah!
Tune in tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel.
Bye for now.